Hello friends, today in this video we are going to introduce you to the new concept of. In this lesson we are going to learn how to store the variables and the data into the variables. You will be using variables throughout the journey of learning how to use Python, so variable is a very important concept. Do learn it very well. You will be using it in data science, machine learning, or even your automation of tasks. So you may be thinking, what is a variable? So variable is storing some data at an address in a computer's memory, or you can think it as storing some information inside a box. And in this slide we are going to show you an example of a variable. Here the variable myVariable has the value 5 stored in it, in which myVariable being the name and 5 being the value of the variable. And storing the value of 5 in the variable myVariable is called assignment, and we do assignment using the equal to operator between both of them. There are several types of information that can be stored in variables. These informations are called data types. Two of the informations that these variables can store are numbers and booleans. Numbers being of two types, one the floating type and the other being integers. Here we have the floating numbers. Floating being those which have a decimal to them, while other being integers like 7 here. Now let's come to the other part, a boolean. Boolean can be either true or false. Do remember the initial T and F in the boolean. You can also assign a variable which has already been assigned. Like here we assign the value 7 to a variable reassigned, which is 3. Like as seen over here, the variable reassigned is first has a value of 3. Then later, using the same variable name, when reassigned is given the value of 7, it now has been updated to the new value. Do remember there are some variable naming rules that need to be followed while declaring variables. As seen in this slide, the variable names in black are the ones that are allowed, and the ones in the red which are not allowed or are illegal. Starting a variable name with an underscore in uppercase or in lowercase, both are allowed. But letters starting with numbers or a mark, like here we have an exclamation mark to start a variable, these are not allowed. Now let's recap what we have learned till now.